Hello, Innovating here, and I'm gonna go over a quick tutorial over how to use ganttLify so we can all go ahead and innovate project management all together. So first of all, let's open the app, then click on Workspace or just click on Let's Plan. And from here, just add your project, create your project, and then click on Settings icon and enter your project configs. Now in here you have the project name, you have the project start date and your off days. They can be like your weekend, like a weekly off day. Some people have it like Saturday, Sunday, some people have it like Friday, Saturday, whatever. And you have your vacations, you can enter them down there in the calendar. Now just note when you click on hide, everything gets saved. It's not like just the view gets invisible, like everything gets saved. And now let's enter your project. In here you can add your tasks, and if you noticed when you open the project screen, for a little bit of time you have like the description under each icon, so you know what each icon is for. So like to add your task, just click on the plus, and now you have to note that for each task you can do 4 things. You can open the task detail, you can go to sketch, you can go to notes, or you can delete the task. Now obviously for the algorithms you need to enter the values in the task details. Those values are in 2 types, the time related values and the cost related values. To do any of these task related things we have to first of all turn edit mode on. It's just near the plus icon. As you can see when we first open the project screen, that is the edit mode. We click on it, we toggle it on, and then we have to swipe up to go over the task details, swipe left to go to the sketch, swipe right to go to the text notes, and swipe down to delete the task. Now let's start with the task details, and let's first of all enter the time related values with the relationship between the tasks. Of course there are several types of relationship between the tasks. Some tasks need like its precedent task to be finished in order for this one to start. Some have the relationship of start to start, and some have the finish to finish. And in addition to the time and cost related values, you have of course the task name, and then you have the time related stuff, that's the duration. And you have the percentage complete, like how much percentage of that task has been done, like 50%, it's halfway there, and so on. And if you notice, when you go back, the project screen is always immediately updated, so you know which tasks are critical real time. And you can also add all the cost related values in order to complete the analysis. You have the planned cost, and you can choose like whatever rate you want, like per day, per month, per year, and choose the unit of currencies that you want. Just make sure that it's consistent all over the app. And then you have the actual cost that you've already spent on this task. Then you can click on the detailed report icon in here. In here you can check instantly the project status. Is it on budget? Is it on schedule? And the rest of the earned value analysis results. You can scroll through them and see them one by one. You can see like how much you spend in order to complete the project and other stuff. Let me know if you need any explanation about them in another video down here in the comment section. Then you can click on the curve icon, and in the cumulative cost curve we have the budgeted cost of work performed, the budgeted cost of work scheduled, and we have the actual cost. Those are very interesting. You can zoom in here and there just so you know how your project is going on to forecast some stuff. And for the text notes, as we said before, you need to swipe right on the tasks that you need to add that note for, and add any related note, and never miss a detail for that task. For example, like you can add any note like just remember like to schedule a meeting after this task is done, or so on. Now let's go to the sketch. You're gonna have to swipe left as we talked before. And you can sketch all your thoughts to aid you through the task work. So you can whether like sketch like the migration, like if let's say for example your project is an like software project, like you wanna sketch the migration plan from JavaScript to TypeScript, for example, or if you have a construction project, like if you wanna sketch some drawing just to remember like your rebars in this column and so on and etc. And before ending it all, just make sure to go and click on help in the workspace screen or the project screen. It depends on like where, on which page you need the help, and you can see more details about my app. Stay tuned for the upcoming updates. I'm planning for a lot of stuff. I'm still about to integrate AI in my app. It's gonna be great. We're gonna innovate project management altogether. It's gonna be revolutionized. And let's go, people. Stay tuned.